Fans believe that Megumi from Jujutsu Kaisen was a quote-unquote clone. It's true that Megumi has a lot of characteristics very similar to your typical side character protag, but I could say overall that Megumi probably stood out more than his counterpart in Yuji Itadori. It's hard to say who has more gifted talent between Megumi as well as Yuji, but many times throughout the series we'll see that Megumi is not a slouch, and that even comes from the King of Curses himself. So while the series focuses on a lot of other characters, it makes you wonder, is the show not giving this quote-unquote clone enough screen time? But with Jujutsu Kaisen wrapping up pretty soon, let me know what you think of Megumi in the comments down below.